Hello. Hello everyone. A very good evening to everyone. A very warm welcome to our new session conducted by Olymp Trade broker. Guys, this side Kunal Kapoor. I am your financial expert and I am going to help you with your trading journey today. So today we are going to talk about a new strategy. The name of the strategy is going to be Safari, and we are going to do some action. We are going to take some trades. We are going to talk about the strategy. I'll be guiding you that how that strategy works. So all these things we are going to take care about, and I will also try to cover up some more important points like market news and money management, risk management, all these factors. So till the time another traders are joining, we will just warm up and we will start our today's training. So I hope you guys are doing good, guys, and you had a great weekend. Last week you managed to make a couple of extra bucks. If you managed to, still let me know, and in the case you are facing some negative results, please let me know, like what strategy you were using, how was the last week, and what was the result, what issues, what concerns, what difficulties you were facing. So I will try to cover all of your comments, but before starting, just guys, please confirm me if my video and my audio that is audible and like that is completely clear. So I will fix everything in the beginning so we will not face any difficulties in the future. Also guys, please share the link of this webinar with your dear ones so we can connect with maximum people, so we will be able to help as much as traders possible. So as you guys must be aware, like those who have joined for the first time, so this is for this information for them, that Olymp Trade broker is conducting these type of webinars weekly, and during these webinars we are talking about different strategies, different concepts, just to help you with your trading journey. And one more thing guys, comment section, the live chat is already open for you guys, so if you will find any difficulties, feel free to write over there. I will try to take all your queries and we will do the needful. So we will hardly wait for 2 more minutes and then we will start with today's session. The name of the strategy which we are going to talk about, that is Safari. So as I can see that so many people are joining this session, so I am happy to see that. So guys, I can see that so many people have joined but very less comments are there. So guys, make some noise. Tell me how things are going on, like whether you are able to make some profit. If yes, please share your experience. If you are facing any difficulties, then must share your experience so we can talk about that one and we can help you with that. So feel free to write. Like I will hardly wait 1 more minute. We will start with our today's session and then I will come to the comment section also. And I am sure that I'll be able to see so many comments over there. So guys, feel free to write. Okay, so time for some action. Okay guys, so before we start this conversation, I just want to tell you a few important things that as you guys must be aware that this financial market, that is a bit risky, so there is a risk of partial and full loss. So always keep this thing in mind and always trade slowly, always take precautions to avoid these type of negative results. And the second thing, all the trades which I am going to take during this session, before that session I have taken, or I am going to take in future, all these are based on my experience. I have spent years and years to practice these strategies. So there is a possibility that when we will be taking some trades, you will be finding some new things. So there is a possibility that you will find a new way to use this strategy. Try to optimize that utilization and get best out of it. And the third and most important thing, that even though this session is live, but still there is a time gap, like there is a telecast gap which lies somewhere between 30 seconds to 1 minute. So there is a possibility the trade which I am going to take somewhere around 6:30 p.m. IST, it will be visible to you at 6:30 second or 6:37, which means that there is a delay in the telecast. So there is a possibility that you will open the same position but after some time, and which can lead to some negative results. So please avoid copy trading. Try to focus on the strategy, try to learn about that one, so you can take couple of more trades after this session. So we will start today's session. A very warm welcome again from me and my analyst team. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am going to be a financial expert for the day. So the name of the strategy which we are going to talk about, as I have already mentioned, is Safari. So first I'll tell you that how we can apply it. Before telling that, I'll just tell you that the screen which is visible to you, that is the application version downloaded in my laptop. So there is a possibility that you will be finding some different interface, because you might be using it on your phone or in the browser. But do not need to worry, all the features are available to everyone. The location could be here and there, but everything is visible. So in my application, there is a tower. We can see that this one, at the last one, there is a button with the name of technical analysis. I will click on this one. There is a screen pop up. So the fourth button with the name of strategy, I will click on this and I will scroll a bit, and here we can see our today's strategy. The name of the strategy is Safari. In this small piece, we can see that there is a lot of information mentioned. The first one is that this strategy is available for the expert level users, like these three yellow lines is stating the same, the name of the strategy, and it is showing that this strategy is for fixed time trading and forex. I will click on this one. There is a piece of information available here also, along with the video. So this video you can utilize when you want to revise something, or you forgot something. So in that scenario, you can use this video. There is a bit of information that how we can use this strategy. Here we can see that the oscillators which we are going to use in this strategy, these are William percent R and MACD. I will click on the enable strategy, and boom, here we go. The strategy is visible here. So this is how you can apply this strategy automatically. And in case if you are on not on expert level, you are on an advanced level or starter level, no need to worry about that one. No need to feel upset that this strategy is not for you. I will tell you that how you can apply it manually also, but try to level up your status on the platform, because there are multiple benefits which you will be getting when you will be on an expert level. I'll be giving you some information about that also. But before that, I'll be telling you that how you can apply it manually. So again, we will start from the beginning. Click on technical analysis. Just type William percent R. You can see that it's here. Click on that one, guys. You can note down the frequency also. The William percent R is with the frequency of 14, even though when we are applying it by default, the frequency is same, but in some time you will be finding a different one. So always try to have a look on that, have a habit of the same, that you are always double checking all these frequencies just to avoid any negative results. For the same, I will type MACD. I will click here, and boom. So again it's there. So I hope, guys, everything is clear for you. If any difficulty is there, any question is there, live chat is already open for you. Feel free to write over there. So now I will tell you that how we can use this strategy. Before using it, before coming into some action, I will just make a couple of changes in the visualization only, not the frequency, only the visualization. You can use it the way it is, or if you want to make it a bit more easy, or like the way you want to use it, you can make some amendments. What I am like more into that, I always try to keep the thing simple, so that will be more easy for me to understand, and that will be more easy for me to make you understand. So the lesser the lines, the lesser the complicated things are there, the more it will be easy for you to look into. So what I am doing is, I will just hide this MACD line, I will hide the signal also, I will change this histogram to line. The reason why I am changing this to line, like you can use the same in the in this bars also, but why I am making some changes that make me that visibility is a bit more clear for me. Like as I can see that at this specific time the MACD intersect, but if I'll check here, so there is a bit dicey information. Like sometimes I am finding a bit complicated this thing, so I use it with the line. So now I will teach you that how we can use this strategy. So guys, this strategy is very simple. We need to focus only on two things. One is MACD line, the second one is Williams percent R. We can see that in MACD there is a baseline which is 0. So whenever the MACD will intersect baseline in a downward direction, that is going to give you an indication that market can go into this specific side, in this specific trend. The same thing applies for the Williams percent or R also. So here we have three levels: -50, -20 and -80. -50 is considered as a base, -20 the upward one, the -80 the lower one. So the same MACD, like just suppose the MACD is intersecting in a upward direction, so we are assuming it that market trend is going to be into the upward side and vice versa. In the same manner, Williams percent is also indicating the same thing. If these bars, these green bars in the upward direction on the upper side of -50, on the upward direction of base, then that is going to give you the indication that market can go into that specific direction. And the same, if that is below this -50, below that baseline, again it will indicate that market is into the downward direction. I hope this is clear for you guys. If any doubt will be there, feel free to write into the comment section. Like I will hardly take 2 to 3 minutes, then I will move to the comment section. I will try to take all your queries, all your comments, so feel free to write. We will do a small back testing, then we will open a couple of trades. So guys, the recommended time frame for this strategy is 2 to 4 candles, which means like if my chart time frame is 1 minute, so my trade time is going to be 2, 3 or 4 minutes. But if my chart time frame is 5 minutes, then the trade time frame should be 10, 15 or 20 minutes, and so go on. And with the help of back testing, we can check that which time frame is more suitable for me. So see here, if I'll see the first confirmation I got from the MACD, it intersected the baseline into the upward direction. At the same time, Williams percent R, this green bar is also on the above of -50. So if we would have opened a trade here for 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, all those trades were supposed to be in a positive side. We will take one or two more examples, then we will do some action. So here we can see, if we would have opened a trade here, so 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, there was a possibility to go into the positive side, even the 4, because 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try some another asset for a better clarity. Okay, so we missed this signal. That was a very strong signal. Okay guys, so here we can see MACD intersected the same baseline here, or Williams percent are also there. Guys, you will find such situation also into the market. Like sometime MACD will intersect the baseline a bit earlier or the Williams percent R. You need to wait for both the confirmation. Either you can avoid taking trade in such scenarios, but if there is a compulsion, that if there is an urgency to make some extra bucks, if you are in hurry, you want to take trades, then at least wait for both the confirmation. By that I mean to say that first wait for whether MACD has crossed and Williams percent is also there. So here the Williams percent R was there, but there was a possibility that there could be a market reversal which can lead to a negative result. So always wait for a confirmation, then get into the market, rather than trying to take a trade on a random signal and face some negative results. So always avoid negative results, because a negative trade, or like trying to avoid taking a negative trade is also a profit for you, because that can lead to a negative balance of $10, $20, $50, $500, $5,000. But if you haven't taken that one, then no need to recover that one, because you haven't taken it and you haven't faced that negative result. So I will take some live trades, so that will be more clear for you. So I will take 1 or 2 trades, then we will move to the comment section. And guys, there is a new feature, I am sure that you guys have already looked into it. So once you click on this plus section, you will be able to open all your favorite assets. So I hope you like that. Okay, so let's see how the signals are there. And in the comment section, guys, please mention if you are finding any signals on any specific asset. If I'll be checking this comment at the same time, so I will try to take a couple of trades on your behalf also. Then we'll look together that whether you are able to grab those opportunities and whether you are able to understand the strategy or not. So that will be more easy for you, because like there is no risk of your funds. I'll be taking care of all those risks. All you just need to help me with the suggestions. So here we are a little late, but no worries. Let's look for some another signals. Okay. And guys, one more thing I want to say, that always try to take trades when there is a trending market. Like whenever you will find some signals, try to zoom out and then look around that how the market is going on. Like here we can see that there is a consolidation going into the market, like green red, green red, red, green red, red, green red. So like that is like a flat market, so that can lead to some negative results. So always try to go into the market when there is some trends, because like there is a old saying into the market that trend is your friend. So always hold the hand of your friend and try to make some money. Okay, so market is be volatile. Here we can see one signal. Let's see how this trade goes. Okay, one more signal is there, and as you can see that I am opening back-to-back trades, but you should avoid this thing, because I need to take couple of trades to show you that how these things are working. But when you are taking trade, always wait for the result of the last trade, then apply your risk management, money management, Martingale to make some recoveries, or if you have made some profit, then if you want to increase the trade amount, then go in such way. Do not take back-to-back trades, wait for the result so you can plan accordingly. Okay, so there are no more signals for now. Okay, so till the time our trades are into the action, I will take your comments. Okay, so the first comment is from Hemantaji. Hello sir. Hello sir. Hemantaji want to ask how to trade in 1 or 4 hour time frame. So sir, like if you are talking about the same strategy, if you want to apply the same strategy, just go for 1 hour, then apply the same rules, the same condition. If those conditions are met, then you can apply the trade as per that. Like by that I mean to say, If both the confirmation are there, MACD is going to into a specific direction, and William percent R is also going into the same, then you can open a trade. Like if I'll be opening a trade for that long, like of course like that will be out of this session, so that is the reason that I am taking trade for smaller duration. But this is something good, like you can also always go for a longer time duration, because the longer the duration, the lesser the risk is there. We can see that our two trades are going into the negative side, but no worries, we will try to recover it. Okay, so Siva Kumar ji is saying hi. Hi sir. House of Storage is saying hi. Salam. Walaikum salam sir. Omar Al Sayed Pro, give me easy strategy. Omar ji, like this is very easy strategy, or like if you talk about the strategies, there is an no such strategies which is easy or difficult. It all depends on your practice. The more you practice, the more it will be easier for you, like everything in life. So that is the reason that we always suggest that when once you learn any new strategy, always try to implement on your demo account. Open at least 150 to 200 trades, then check like how things went for you, whether things were fine for you, or like there is some amendments required, whether you missed something. So once you will be utilizing those strategies, you will be finding so many things into the strategy, and then you will be able to have a hold on that. And there is a possibility that the strategy on which I am making profit, you might be facing some negative result, or it could be vice versa, because it's like a sword in the hand of a warrior. It depends on the skills of a warrior, how he utilize it. So the more you practice with your sword, the more it will be sharp for you, and the more it will help you to win the battle, like to win the trades. So make some practice, try multiple strategies, then you will come up with 2 to 3 strategies which you will find that those are very easy for you, and you are able to make some profits. And with whichever strategy you are able to make profit, you are able to go for a longer run. That is the best strategy, that is the easy one. So Siva Kumar ji, give me the confirmation that audio video is clear. Thank you so much sir. Okay, so Hemant ji, I am sure that Hemanta ji, I am sure that I have answered your question, but still if any doubt is there, please let me know. Tricks also confirmed for the same. Thank you so much. Rajat Rana ji, thank you sir. Okay, Abidali Khoshu ji said hi. Hello sir. Hemanta ji, how to trade in one? I think sir this is the same question. Please confirm me in the comment section if still you need some information. Bachelor alone, everything is good, just start. Thank you so much for the confirmation. Rajat Rana ji confirmed that there is a I believe gap of 30 seconds. So okay. So guys, in the comment section you can find the link of our Hindi channel also with the name of Olymp Trade India. So feel free to join that also in case you want to have some conversation in Hindi also. Rahul ji said good evening, very good evening sir. Abhishek ji said sir, he's facing some issues with deposits sir. I request you to please connect with the support team, they will help you with the same. Okay, Kamlesh ji is also facing the same issues. So sir, I request you please connect with them. I think Jitendra ji is not happy with something, because like he is putting some emojis. Jitendra ji, please let me know like how what's the issue you are facing, let me help you. Okay, swap players said how to set take profit and stop loss line in Forex. Sir, see, it depends on the way you want to take a trade, or the risk you want to. Or on the other hand, like just suppose if there is some news into the market, so you can apply your stop loss take profit as per that also. By that I mean to say that just suppose if CPI data is about to come, or NFP data is about to release, and you are sure about that specific trend is going to be there, then you can but you are not sure whether you will be available to close the deal, or like you will be having some emergencies. So you can do one thing, you can apply as per that, but because at that scenario you are aware that that much fluctuation is about to be there, which can lead to a 150% or 200 or 300% profit. So you can set up your take profit stop loss as per that. But if you are trading into a normal market, in the regular market, then you can do one thing, like there are multiple indicators which you can use, like something like RSI you can use, or you can use stochastic, which can help you to check that whether there is a possibility of market reversal, so you can adjust your stop loss as per that also. Akpak said, hello sir, may I know your good name? Sir, my name is Kunal Kapoor. Okay, so he want to know, sir, do you follow Martingale? If yes, then how many steps you follow? Once you lose, how do you recover huge loss? So sir, for this one, I'll tell you that yes, I am also applying the Martingale on my trading, like when I'm trading on like on regular basis. But in my Martingale, I'm the maximum step I am taking hardly 3 to 4, not more than 4. 4 is also extreme for me. And the third thing, I am doing a Martingale in another way, like most of the traders, to keep the things simple, how they use the Martingale. So if they are taking a trade for $10, if that is in negative, they will increase it to 20. If that is also negative, 20 plus 10, 30, they will make it 60. So they are keep on double up the amount. That is also good. Like if the trade is into the positive side, of course you will be able to make some extra bucks, you will be able to recover everything. But what I am doing is, I am always taking a precaution. What I am looking into, if my first trade is negative, so there is a possibility that second can also go into the negative side, but I have to try to recover my funds. So what I will do, I will only focus on recovering. By that I mean to say that, just suppose my $10 trade is negative, so rather than making it 20, I will take a trade for $12 or $13. I'll tell you the difference, like how my Martingale is different and how it can help you. Now just suppose my second trade is also negative, so my total negative is $23. So to recover that one, I will take a trade of 25 to 27. Now just suppose I will take a trade for 27, so my total negative result, if that trade is also negative, so my total negative balance is $50. So now how it differs? If you will be taking the same trade 10, 20 and 10, 20 and then 60. So if all these 3 trade are going to be into the negative side, there is a negative balance of $90. But I have taken the same 3 trade. I have also tried to recover the funds, but I have managed to save $40 from the same. Because just suppose if there was a fluctuation into the market and all those 3 trades were supposed to go into the negative side, and it went into the same direction for you and for me, so I have managed to save those $40, which can help me to stay longer into the market, to take a couple of extra trades. And just suppose with the next $40, I'll start making some profits that can change my complete P&L, that complete scenario of my trading journey. So I'm sure that you got my point. Like I am always doing trading in 3 ways. The first trading to make some profit, the second trading to recover my funds, and the third trading to secure funds for future trading. So this is the third one. I am securing funds for future trading. Once I will be able to recover my funds, that will be my second trading. So both these steps are already completed, both these conditions are already fulfilled, that I have managed to secure some funds, and with those funds I have managed to recover all the negative results. Then there will be no pressure on my mind, because there is nothing out of my pocket. Like just suppose if I have deposit $100, again I am at $100, so at least I am in no profit, no loss. So there is no pressure, even though there is a greed to make profit, but there is no pressure which can lead to some negative result or over trading. So that is how I am always focusing on one thing at one time. When that is completed, then I am focusing on the second one, and that is also helping me to avoid huge losses. Because if I'll be applying the same thing by using 2-time Martingale, I am negative by $100. The another trader who is keep on doubling the amounts, he will be negative by 180. But now just suppose if that amount is not $10, that is $100, so that difference will be increasing, and that will lead to a huge losses. So always try to minimize your losses, try to apply your risk management, money management in such a way, because if you will be having funds in your account, there will be a lot of opportunities, guys, to make profit. But if you will be trying to make all the funds at a single time, there is a possibility that you will be out of the market, and then it doesn't matter how many opportunities are going to be there into the market, you will not be able to grab them. I know like some of the traders, they will be stating that no no sir, we will be making a new deposit, we will be doing it same, but I have a issue with that. I always try to focus on that thing, that avoid making deposits again and again, use one deposit again and again. By that I mean to say that always go slowly, take it as a marathon, don't take it as a sprint. I am sure Akpak ji, I was able to clear your query. Mrs. Jadhav want to say that, sir, can you help me with some amount? I am so sorry sir, I would love to, but as per the policies we are not allowed to. Thug Life ji said, why gold is not open today on the platform? Okay, let me check. Why you are facing? Okay, so gold is closed. I think there is the US market is also closed for today. There is some event like that is something is there, and I believe that is the reason that gold is also closed. Okay, so Trix mentioned that I have made profit on my first entry Euro USD, but I used 1 minute time frame. See, Trixie, that is possible that you might be able to make profit with some different time zones, like with some different time frames. But all we need to focus on that whether we can use that as a general strategy, general information, whether that is giving me the same opportunities every time, because there is a possibility that sometime you will be able to make some profit on 1 minute or 2 minute or 3 minute, but we want to get a hold on that one, that which time frame is giving you more profit. But I am happy to know that you managed to make a profit and try to practice same and make some extra bucks. Guys, I am keep on checking, but there are no signals. Okay, so one signal is about to come. Let's wait for that. Let's have a look on another assets. My market is a bit slow. We missed. Guys, make sure you write down everything in the comment section, and also guys, rate the strategy also, like how the things going on, like whether you are able to grab my information, whether you are finding it useful for you. Please rate my conversation like out of 5, whether if you are liking it, 5 is the best one, the 1 is the worst one. Even though like you are not liking it, let me know so that I can make some amendments, I can change the things. If any inputs are there, any feedback is there, do let me know, do let us know, so that we can always work on that, because these sessions we are always conducting for you people. So if you are finding it useful, that is the main purpose of these conversations. So make sure you write down. Okay, so one. Okay, so Abdul ji is saying, can you show us live trade on Forex? Sir, on Forex, like we need to open us. Okay, so I managed to make a profit. Let's close this first. Okay, so for this one, like we need to open this position for a longer period. So I will apply it for a longer chart time frame, like for 1 hour, and then I will be checking some trades. Let me check if anything is available there. Of course, I would love to. So here there is an indication, there was an indication long back. Like for Forex, we need a lot of time to find the position, because that is the main thing which matters in Forex. If you are getting into the market at a correct time and holding that position for a specific time, then you will be able to make some profit. So here the market is going into the negative in the downward direction, but we can see that it can take a lot of time to complete this signal. So that is the reason that most of my trading, the action which I have done, that was on the fixed time trade. But no worries, I will try to take a couple of trades on that also. Let's move to FTT first and make some recoveries. Like we faced 2 negative results. Okay, so market is very slow. Okay, no signals are there, so okay. So I'll take a couple of more comments. Okay, so Trix is saying another signal Asia composite I have found made downtrend. I'm happy to see that Trix, you are making some profits. You are understanding the strategy and you are able to make some signals. Please confirm whether you are liking this strategy. Give your rating out of 5. 5 is the best one, 1 is the worst one. Even guys, you are finding it worst, do let me know, because this is how we can talk about, we can improve the things, we can make some amendments and we can get the things better. Okay, Habib Khani ji is also facing some issues with the deposits. Sir, I request you to please connect with the support team. They will be the best one to help you with your deposit concern. I'm so sorry, but no worries. Like I can assure you one thing, that your deposit is safe and you will get it for sure. Raf Gaming ji is asking that please show me if I have taken anything in Forex. Sir, I'm so sorry, but we were not able to take any trade there because the opportunity was not there. Okay, we are missing the signals. Okay, no worries. Guys, you might be thinking that I am keep on checking this some couple of specific assets, like these are based on the profitability, or like most of the time as per the market news there was a signal. We are a little late, but let's get into the market because we have to do some action to check how the things are going into them. So okay, so there is an opportunity which is about to come. So guys, we can see that MACD has already intersected baseline, but we have to wait for both of them, both the confirmation, because there is a possibility of a reversal also, because market is going a bit flat again. See, it went into the flat direction, so we have to look for another. Okay, so here one trend is about to begin, so we will wait for this signal and we will try to take a trade over here. Okay, so Gidon G mentioned happy evening to everyone. Happy evening, sir. KFX mentioned hello sir, I deposited money but still pending. Sir, I request you to please connect with the support team. Oriba ji is asking, can I earn in demo account? Sir, demo account is only for the practice. You will be able to make some profit, but you will not be able to withdraw that one. I'm so sorry for that. Raf ji is again asking what I have bought in Forex. Sir, I haven't bought anything in Forex. Like that was the previous trade which I just closed. So that was on Asia Composite. That position I have opened earlier yesterday, which I have closed today. Okay, Sufyan Khan, sir, I used clock mode in duration time with the candle closing time, but Olymp shows the result next candle opening time. Why? Sir, I'm so sorry, I am not able to get your concern. Can you just please clarify, like whether have you faced any slippage, like whether you have faced any big candle or like there was a gap in between? Please confirm. Arunji is asking, you are looking at 1 hour time frame. Yeah sir, I have already fixed it. Thank you so much for information. And Akpak sir, thank you. I'm happy to know that, sir. I'm happy to help. This strategy is working too. Thanks, bro. Trix, I'm happy it is working for you. Thugs is also saying, alright, thanks. Thank you so much. Vishalji is saying deposit failed. Sir, please get in touch with the support. They are going to help you with that. Rajat Rana is gave me the signal. Thank you so much, sir. Vishal is also saying again that deposit issue. So please, guys, please, if you are having any deposit issue, any deposit concern, please connect with the support team. This session is basically for your trading concern, to help you with your trading issues. So please help me with your trading concern. Okay, so guys, before I'll proceed further, let's see that how was the result of our last session. Okay, so that went into the negative side, but we have applied the risk-free trade, so we didn't face any negative balance here, but no worries. Let's make some amendments in the strategy and try to open a couple of more trades. And guys, those who are new to the platform, so I will give you a small tour of about the platform as well. Like I know I'm a little bit late, but I will just make it a quick. So on the extreme top left, we can see that there is a logo of our platform. In the trade section, we can see all the trade history. Forex will be showing the Forex trades, stocks will be talking about the stocks. For fixed time trade, I'll be able to check all the trades I have taken in the fixed time trade. Here I can see the trade analytics, like what is my success rate, how many trades I have found in a profitable side. So this is how we can check. In market section, if you want to purchase any trading condition, trading signals, education courses, everything is there, you can purchase. In event section, if any league marathon is going to be there, so you will be able to see it here. Help section, that is very useful for everyone. If you are facing any deposit withdrawal verification concern, you can connect on this support section. Help center, trading tutorial and education. That is basically for our new traders, those who have recently joined or those who need any help with the trading. So you will be finding a lot of information, guys, here. Like anything from basic to advanced to expert, everything is there. Like how the strategies are working, how to make a deposit, withdrawal, everything is there. So please explore, especially these two, education and trading tutorials. This is a space where we will be able to see all the asset names which we have opened. This is a place where we can see the name of the oscillator or indicators which we are going to apply on the chart. This is a place where the chart formation is there. The bars are getting formed here. All the codes are visible here. This is a place, if oscillator is there, that will be below the chart. If indicator is there, that will be on the chart. That is obvious. This is a place, if I'll click on this one, if I want to change the chart time frame, I can change it from here. Plus minus is for zoom in, zoom out. I can scroll in, scroll up also. Pinch in, pinch out is also working on your device also. This is a tower for these three button, first one for signal, the second one for chart type, and the third one for technical analysis. In this place, I can see that what is my current level on the platform and in which direction I am going to, and what I am going to gain on the traders way. So like on 5th level, I'll be able to secure my current level for next 30 days, and I'll be getting some risk-free trade also, and that's how it goes on. At this place, I can see my current balance in my account. If I'll click on this one, all the accounts will be visible, that how much I am having in all these accounts. Payment section for deposit, withdrawal, transfer and transactions. Profile section to change some color themes, to update your contact number, all these things. Guys, for this I just want to tell you one more thing, that if you have reached on the expert level, or like if you haven't updated your contact number, please update it, because there is one thing which you are missing. Like we are giving some opportunities, like we are giving some consultations via Zoom application also. Those who are having our analysts, so they must be aware, but those who haven't got their analysts so far, so make sure that your contact number is updated over there. I'll give a bit of more information about that thing, that we are conducting some Zoom session. During these sessions, we are connecting you one-to-one. So I have a team of analysts, so we are one of analyst is going to be assigned to you, so they will be connecting to you and they will be helping with your all your trading journey. So that is going to be a two-way communication. If you will be finding any difficulties, any doubts, you can ask them then and there, and that is something very useful and very unique, like which I found that we are providing. So make sure you are taking benefit of that one. If you haven't updated your number, please feel free to update it. And if you have missed the call, like we have tried to call you but you didn't took the call, or because of any reasons that connection was not there, like we were not able to connect you, you can do one thing, just drop a message to chat support or drop an email to support team by stating that you need some help in your trading journey. Please raise a callback request. Once you will mention trading, that request will come to my department, me or someone from my team. We will get in touch with you, we will line up session for you, and we will help you with your trading concerns. For the time, this service is only available for advanced level holder and expert level holder, so guys, make sure you take benefit out of it. And again, one thing I'll confirm, that all these sessions are going to be free of cost. You do not need to pay even a single penny to me or my analyst team. Nothing means nothing. I hope I'm clear with that, and I hope you liked this service also. So this is the place where you can add the amount, like the amount which you want to invest. You can amend it manually also. Plus minus is also there. Again, that time frame you can click on quick, for very quick, like 5, 15, 30, 45 second trades. Timer is there, like the specific time you want to take, or you can amend it manually also, the clock, if you want to close it at a specific time. Plus minus is there to amend it, or you can do it manually. This button, this is for risk free trade. Risk free trade is useful for, like, when you are facing some negative results, so you can use this to, you know, make some recoveries. Like the best use of risk free trade is, just suppose, like, if I'll be opening a trade with I'll just give you a live example, so I can see you can see that this is a trade which I have opened with the risk free trade. We can clearly see that my trade was into the negative side, but still the deduction was of $0 because that risk free trade saved my fund. I got the refund of the amount at a very next second, not even a minute, very next second. Clock, this is to execute a trade by price or by time for future trades. Up down to execute a trade, and this small piece of information is saying, this is very fascinating information, because it is saying that if you will be investing in a specific asset at that time and you will be able to make a profit, like the trade in a positive side, you will be able to make a profit of $8.2. So I'm sure that you will be you are aware about all the these parts. And guys, those who are new to the platform, because I always want you to make some profit, so those who are new to platform, so there is one more website which you can explore for better understanding, for more information. That is with the name of Investopedia. Go to Investopedia, go into the search bar, look for chart types, look for candle formation, look for price action. You will be finding a lot of information which will help you to improve your trading skills. And in the beginning of the conversation, I have talked about the news also. One of my friend, he asked about the Forex also. So most of the time when I am opening Forex trades, so like there is an opportunity which you can grab on the basis of news. The specific chart patterns are getting formed into the market when the market news are there, so you can take benefit of that. And to explore the news, to get the information about that one, the best websites which I can recommend is, the first one is Yahoo Finance and the second one is investing.com. In investing.com, once you open it, in the, like, on your eye level, you will be finding a button with the name of economic calendar. Open that, explore it. You will be finding so many things. If you want to practice it, if you want to check how it works, open different type of previous data and open the chart time frame on the same time, on the same date. You will be able to find some specific chart patterns, some specific candle formation. It could be a bearish, it could be a bullish, but you will be finding some specific scenarios, and that is something which is common. So guys, explore these things. I'll be taking a couple of more comments, then we will be, in the meantime, I will keep on looking for some signals also. Okay, and guys, in case if I'll miss any of your comment, I'm so sorry, because sometimes I have to refresh my screen, so that affects you know, the visibility of comments. Some comments move into the upward direction, so I might miss it. Okay, so Rajaji mentioned about the Mooch. Vishal is facing some issues with the deposit. Okay, so I got first valuation, like first information about my strategy, the way I have tried to convey this message. That is 5 out of 5. So thank you so much, Rajat. I am happy to know that, like, you are liking everything. Auntie Vincent mentioned, I am beginner. Any help, please? Mr. Vincent, this is something like which we are trying to help our traders, so we are conducting these webinars. Please feel free to join all of these. You will be finding so many videos on our channel, so you can explore all of them. Apart from that, I have given you information that you can find some useful information in help section. You can also explore Investopedia. So I am sure that these things will be giving you that much information that which can help you to make some profits. And if I'll talk about the price action or something, like you can practice, make sure practice it first, then you can explore it on some indexes. First try it on demo account, then move to the live account. Guys, always remember, try to make some practices first, practice trade, then move to the live account. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for your presence for today, and I'm sure that like it is taking some time, so like we are not able to open couple of trades, but I'm sure that you will you were able to understand all the things I was trying to give you information about. So I hope you like this conversation, I hope you like the session, and I request you to please practice, and I wish you a great day and successful trading ahead. Thank you so much for joining, and me, Kunal Kapoor, your financial expert, is very thankful for your presence and look forward for your presence in next session. So guys, take care, bye bye, see you, good night, cheers, sayonara, take care.